Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Hollandaise sauce without a blender. Whisk egg yolks with lemon and a pinch of salt, then slowly add melted butter while constantly stirring. Use a heat-proof bowl set over warm water to control temperature and prevent curdling. If the sauce thickens too fast, whisk in a teaspoon of warm water to loosen it. Finish with cayenne or Dijon for a bright, balanced flavor. Start by whisking yolks with a tablespoon of lemon juice until they slightly thicken and turn a pale yellow. Hold your bowl over warm, not boiling, water and whisk continuously while adding the butter in a thin, steady stream. Keep testing temperature with your wrist to avoid overheating. If it becomes too thick, whisk in a teaspoon of warm water at a time until silky. Serve immediately over eggs or vegetables for best results. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is a fun little pick-me-up after hauling groceries, butter, and lemon home for Hollandaise. It keeps your car smelling fresh between kitchen runs. I like a subtle scent that doesn't overpower food aromas. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If your Hollandaise breaks, remove it from heat and whisk in a teaspoon of cold water or an ice cube to bring temperature down, then slowly reintroduce butter. For a sauce that is too thin, return to the water bath and whisk while adding a bit more butter to thicken. If flavor needs a lift, squeeze fresh lemon or stir in a touch of Dijon. Keep it warm but never let it simmer to preserve texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.